Oh, what?
Three.
That one. Do I hit the can with it?
I tell you what, you can move the can out of the way and hit it, and then put the can back. Yeah, that works. Oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa, look at this crap.
That'd be a good idea. 6.
That way?
All the way, yeah, and you just have to hit the button. You don't have to. If you want to move that out of the way, you can. Wow.
Hit the bucket.
Yes, beautiful. That's just fine, we are.